here for a show cause. First up, we got case number 221447 SM. You failed to pay restitution in the amount of $50. Total amount due is $125. In case number 221443 SM, you failed to pay the restitution in the amount of $100. Tell me what's going on.
I'm not really sure, but I don't think that those came up until recently. I've been in jail for like a week and a half. And I was in jail prior to that. I did like a week or so. I remember you saying like 2 months ago that I had this coming up, but I'm not even really sure what I got the fine for. But I've been in and out of jail, so I'm sorry I missed it. I got some other things going on. I also have something going on in district court right now, and that's why I'm actually here. I called on the day that I had court. I didn't know, I haven't had the right address, so I haven't been getting any legal papers.
Can you tell me that again?
Yes, ma'am. So I haven't really been getting any legal mail. My address was 2nd Street, but my aunt put a PPO out on me for some reason. I don't know why, so I can't really go there.
All right, Mr. Miller, if I let you out, what are you going to do to make payments?
I'm gonna get a hold of the courts immediately because I have been working part-time to subcontractor as a friend of the family, and I've been getting ready to get into full-time if I can. I just got this other thing going on, and that was the only thing really that was holding me up before, was this other thing I got going on right now. So what is it? It's 50 in the amount of both of them. I owe $50 for both of them up front for like the first payment or whatever.
In case number 221447 SM, which the original charge on that was malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more but less than $1,000, and breaking and entering. That one you owe $125 on. And
which
then
I don't get because excuse me.
The other case, you have a breaking and entering without the owner's permission and breaking and entering without the owner's permission, and that one you owe $50 on, or $100, I'm sorry. So the total amount between both cases is $225.
I don't even get how I got fined that, because I had to bond out of Eaton County in 2023. I had to bond out of there.
These are from charges that happened in
I did a program for these charges, so the tickets should be paid.
Paid a bond in Eaton County, it won't apply to files in Allegan County.
Because they wouldn't let me out of the program for a domestic batterers thing in 2023.
You weren't charged with domestic battery in these cases.
But they wouldn't let me out when I graduated the program until I paid a bond of $400 for both these tickets.
That would have been stemming from your domestic violence, not from this.
No, it would have been for these tickets. I'm trying to tell you. Ma'am, I wouldn't argue the fact. That's what.
But it didn't cover the whole thing.
Yes, ma'am.
It doesn't cover the whole thing, sir.
Yes,
you still owe money.
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you gonna do if I let you out? You've missed several show cause hearings. You're arguing with me when you do show up to them. Why should I let you out of jail? Try to take care of it since you haven't been doing it for the last 4 years.
Ma'am, I've been in jail the last 2 times I've had a show cause hearing for this.
Just a minute ago, your excuse was that you had the wrong address. How long have you been in jail? You've been in jail for 4 years?
Basically, if you want to argue the fact.
I'm not arguing the facts. I'm the magistrate.
Yes,
I'm telling you what's happening in this case.
I understand that. We're talking about, I owe $100 on 2 tickets, which I don't understand because I had to pay a $400 bond to get out of Eaton County.
And it didn't cover it, sir. $400 didn't cover what you owe, so you still owe money. $400 was not enough.
Understood.
When was the last time you were in jail?
April. I think that's when I had it. I may have been. I don't know. Otsego Township arrest me every time. I got arrested for being on my front lawn on my mom's birthday this time because my aunt has a PPO for something she wasn't even a victim of. But anyway, ma'am, as soon as I get some money, I will bring it immediately to the courthouse. Because I have to come to court anyway. I have a court date tomorrow. I don't know if they're gonna let me out or whatever, but I have to stay in touch with the courthouse no matter what.
Well, you would have had to stay in touch with the courthouse no matter what. From this case too, you owed restitution for 4 years and you didn't stay in contact with the court for 4 years.
And I told you they put a PPO out on me, so I couldn't go to my old address. That was the reason I told you I had the wrong address.
You knew the court had the wrong address and you didn't call to change it?
Man, that's hard enough for me to walk down the fucking street.
It's hard enough for you to call the court and say, I know I have a huge responsibility of restitution and my address
Of
changed, so
$100
please make sure you
fucking
get that."
dollars?
Yes, $100, sir. At this time, I'm not gonna change your bond.
I don't
Just stay as
request that you
is.
fucking release me for $100 fucking dollars. The fuck
bond
are
is
you
what
talking
I'm
about? You might as well write it
Bond
off.
remains-
Do they still do pay or stay?
Nope, we're gonna set this for a show cause tomorrow.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Please think about your attitude while you're in your cell tonight.